lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, it's going to be about this unit that I have on, and it is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. I'm going to have their playlist of all the different textures that I've tried from their company up here. It's gonna be up here for you guys. But this particular wig is their Balayage unit. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. But it is a 13x4 lace frontal. It has combs, adjustable straps. It's big head friendly. I definitely took advantage of the caps because I personally wear an average cap size. So I definitely took advantage of the adjustable straps and the combs. It is 150% density and it was 24 inches, you guys. I was so sad. I don't even know why I really cut as much off of this unit because I really was just gonna do the bangs. That's it. And then I was on the phone while doing it and I just started cutting, so this is where we're at. This is what we have. I'm not mad at it. I think that it's still cute. I just liked how it looked long, so scissor happy over here. But the exact color is FB30, and like I said, it's like a balayage type of highlighted unit. Other than that, like, the hair feels very, very soft, very lightweight, super easy to curl. Like, this unit is very pretty to the feel, to the look. It's just really cute. I did not do anything to this unit in regards to the color, so I didn't tone it. I'm not even sure if it would even take to toner. I'm not sure, but I don't really have any want to like really go ahead and tone this unit because I feel like this brown color, it's pretty, it's doing what I need it to do. Okay, so last thing that I want to mention before I stop talking and I let you guys finish just watching this video, I did use my Got2b glue hairspray to install this time, only because I'm not planning on having this in super long. If I did plan on that, I would definitely use my Bold Hold Extreme cream. That is my stuff. Okay, but like I said, I use this to install because it's going to be an easy, quick, short-lived install. And I did use this, what is it called? It's the stick to hold your flyaways down. I forgot what this is called. It's by Bedhead. Is this an edge stick, y'all? What is this? I use this to lay my flyaways down. I really didn't have to do that. I could have just continued to use this hairspray, but this, I'm starting to like this a little bit more just because it's not super oily. It just gives it a little bit of a shine and it just lays the flyaways down a lot with this. Sometimes I have to spray this on and then I really have to work it into the hair because it leaves like, it's too shiny. It's too shiny and it's a little tough. This right here, you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna have a lot of these products linked down in my Amazon store, so if you're ever wondering about a product that I use in my videos, check that store out. I do make a little bit of something from it. So, yeah, help your girl out. I appreciate it. I don't even know how I forgot to mention this, but I will be showing you my outfit that I got on. I just freaking love it. It is from, I believe, Fashion Nova. The link is gonna be down in the description box if it's not sold out. If it's sold out, I don't know what I can do, but trust and believe that it's still on sale on their website. It'll be down in the description box for you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking here. I really appreciate you watching this video thus far if you made it here. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all lovelies out in my next one. Bye.
You wanna make it right, but now it's too late. My peanut butter chocolate cake with Kool-Aid.